Have you heard everyone talking about intermittent fasting? Like it's a magic bullet for weight loss, energy, and longevity? Well, here's the deal. Intermittent fasting can be a powerful tool, but especially after 40, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Today, I'm breaking down the real pros and cons of intermittent fasting for those of us over 40. What works, what doesn't, and how to know if it's right for you. So grab your coffee, black of course if you're fasting, and let's get into it. First off, why is intermittent fasting everywhere you look? Here's the hook. It's not just about eating less. It's about giving your body a break. When you fast, insulin levels drop, your body taps into stored fat, and processes like autophagy, your body's natural cleanup crew, kick into gear. For men and women over 40, this can mean easier weight management, improved blood sugar control, and potential anti-aging effects at the cellular level. Sounds great, right? But hold on, there's more to the story. Let's talk pros first, because there are some big ones. First is better metabolic health. Fasting can improve insulin sensitivity. A big deal because insulin resistance creeps up on many of us in our 40s and beyond. Weight management. Many people naturally eat fewer calories without counting every bite, making it easier to shed stubborn midsection weight. Energy and mental clarity. Once you adapt, fasting can stabilize energy levels and improve focus by avoiding sugar highs and crashes. Heart and longevity support. Studies suggest intermittent fasting may reduce inflammation, support heart health, and even trigger longevity pathways. But, and this is important, results vary, especially as we age. Here's where I need to be brutally honest. Intermittent fasting is not perfect, and for some over 40, it can backfire. How? First, hormonal changes. If you're already dealing with thyroid issues, low testosterone, or menopause, fasting can sometimes make things worse, leading to fatigue, irritability, or even weight gain. Second is muscle loss risk. Past 40, preserving lean muscle is critical. Fasting without proper protein and resistance training can accelerate muscle loss. Number 3 is social and lifestyle challenges. Let's face it, skipping breakfast or dinner isn't always realistic. Number 4, not everyone feels good on it. Some experience headaches, low energy, or increased stress hormones, especially if they're already under a lot of stress. The takeaway? Fasting is a tool, not a miracle cure. It works best when it fits your lifestyle and biology, not against them. So how do you make intermittent fasting work for you if you're over 40? Start gradually. Don't jump into 20-hour fasts. Begin with 12-12. Schedule 12 hours fasting, 12 hours eating, and progress to 16-8 if you feel good. Focus on nutrition during eating windows. Whole foods, plenty of protein, healthy fats, and colorful vegetables. You can't out-fast a bad diet. Strength training is non-negotiable. Protect that muscle. It's your metabolic engine. Listen to your body. If fasting leaves you exhausted, anxious, or sleepless, adjust. Health is the goal, not suffering. Talk to your doctor if you have medical conditions, especially if you're on medication for blood sugar, blood pressure, or thyroid. Done right, intermittent fasting can be a fantastic tool for health and longevity, but only if it's sustainable for you. So those are the real pros and cons of intermittent fasting over 40. It can help you with weight, energy, and longevity, but it's not for everyone, and it's certainly not a magic bullet. Now I want to hear from you. Have you tried intermittent fasting? Did it work for you? Or did you struggle? drop a comment below. I read every single one. And if you want to know the best supplements that I use to pair with intermittent fasting, check the description section of this video. Thanks for watching, friends. And as always, be happy and be healthy.